So here I am again for another weekly analysis on gold. So in this video I will basically say where I think the price on gold will go, and I will show you my important key levels for the week. So let's talk about that. So first things first, let's mark the key levels for the week. So here we have this daily fair value gap, we have this low, we have this high, we have swept here already this low. So the plan is very simple. At the moment we are bearish, and if we want to see a move to the upside, maybe to this high, we need to invert this gap as soon as possible. As you can see here, we also disrespect the bullish PD array. So we had here a bullish fair value gap, and as you can see here, we close below the daily. So at the moment we are very bearish, but at least we swept the low and we had a little bit of a reaction. Here we had retested in a bearish way the gap, then swept the low, and now we are trying to have a reaction after sweeping the low. So if you want a continuation higher, as I said, and if we want a bullish move from here, we need to invert this gap. We need a daily closure above this fair value gap if you want a continuation higher, or we might just retest again here, then reject, and then continuation lower. We also have this other wall. So if you reject here, I'll expect a continuation lower, and I'll expect a continuation lower at least to this low. And then if we don't have a reaction, I will expect a continuation further lower to sweep this other low. But let's see, I don't expect a move here in the next week. This week I don't expect it, but we never know. And if we reject here and if we sweep here and we don't have a reaction, I'll expect in the next weeks a move here, not in the next, but in the next ones. And I think that I've already said what I wanted to. If we want a continuation higher, we need to invert this gap. If we have a daily closure above this gap, we might see a continuation higher to sweep this high. I don't know if we will see these in the week, this week, but we never know. So continuation higher, we need to see inverse for the gap here, and the bearish plan is that we reject here again, we have another bearish retest, and then we continue going lower, at least to sweep this low. And as I said, if we don't react here, I'll expect a continuation further low to sweep these other low. So very simple plan. So if you liked the video, like and subscribe. And I have bought another funded account, so I have already a new funded account, a 10k funded account. So I don't know if I'll take a trade this week. So if I take a trade, I will update you. I will record why I took a trade and basically say what I won or what I lost, and I will update you guys. So like and subscribe, and see you maybe in the next days. And I will in the next week update another weekly analysis. So if I don't post this week, I will post in the next Monday. So like and subscribe, and see you soon.